Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking one of my own creations. It's delicious Caribbean coconut salmon. I got this recipe from inspiration from travelling around the Caribbean. It's also got influence from a lot of Southern American, Brazilian style dishes as well. Hope you really enjoyed it. This is one really delicious recipe. So first I gathered all of the vegetables that I'm going to be using for this dish. As you can see, there are a lot of vegetables in this recipe, so it's going to be really healthy and nutritious. I'm using 1 medium red onion, 5 cloves of garlic, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, 2 tomatoes, half of a yellow bell pepper, half of a red bell pepper, 4 spring onions and a bunch of thyme. I'm also using a large green chili pepper, however this is optional. I definitely recommend it though, as it's really going to enhance the flavour of the dish. If you do prefer it to be spicier, you can also throw in a Scotch bonnet chilli as well. So I'm showing you how I like to slice my vegetables. I do prefer to chop the bell peppers in long strips, and I like the spring onions to cut diagonally. This is entirely your choice, but I do think cutting it this way makes the dish look a lot more presentable. So now I'm going to prepare my salmon. This is half of a salmon fillet and I've cut it into 4 pieces. I'm going to lightly cover it with oil and then I'm going to add on my seasonings. The seasonings that I'm using and the full ingredient list is going to be in the description box below. If you can leave the salmon to marinate overnight, that's best, but it's fine to cook it straight away if you don't have the time. And you can see here, I'm just making sure the seasoning covers the whole of the salmon. I have a tablespoon of oil in my pan, and I'm now going to transfer the seasoned salmon into the pan, which is on a high heat. And you want to get a really nice brown on both sides of the salmon. And as you can see, the seasonings and coconut sugar have started to caramelize on the salmon of just being in the pan only about 15 seconds. You're not aiming to fully cook the salmon here, as it is going to be added back into the pan and cooked with the coconut sauce. I'm now going to add my onions, garlic, ginger and green chilli into the pan and then cook those through on a medium-high heat for a few minutes. After that, I'm adding in the remainder of my vegetables and making sure to cook these for another couple minutes. Make sure to be gentle while stirring the tomatoes, as you don't want to break them up and mash them up into the sauce. I'm now adding in my coconut milk or coconut cream. You can use whatever you prefer, whatever is available at your supermarkets. If you do use coconut cream, you may need to add in a few additional tablespoons of boiling water to make sure the sauce is not too thick. I'm also adding in just about a teaspoon of tomato puree. This is just to balance out the spiciness from the chili and to give some colour to the sauce. I'm now adding in the bunch of thyme and make sure to stir this through and cook for an additional couple minutes. And I'm now adding the 4 pieces of salmon back into the pan. And as you can see here, I'm using a spoon to cover the top of salmon with the sauce. Afterwards, I'm going to turn the heat down to low and let the dish simmer for 10 minutes. After this time, the sauce should have thickened and the dish will be ready to serve. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Let me know how it goes. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. There's many more recipes coming in the future.